Hi students, in this video I will explain about Sand-Meyer's reaction and what is the concept involved in Sand-Meyer's reaction. Now let us learn about that. Here the Sand-Meyer's reaction is a chemical reaction used to synthesize aryl halides from aryl diazonium salts using copper salts as a reagents or catalyst. So here we should understand that we are going to prepare the product is called as aryl halides. These aryl halides are going to prepare from aryl diazonium salts. So here we should understand the word aryl diazonium salts means what. See here, aryl diazonium salts, it is nothing but the compounds. It is consisting with the case of aromatic group and it will consist with 2 nitrogen groups and halide. So this type of a compound or this type of a substances are called as diazonium salts. These diazonium salts, it is substituted to the aromatic system. So such type of a compounds are called as here aryl diazonium salts. So aryl diazonium salts. See here, in the place of X minus, it is nothing but halides. So halides we may take chloride, bromide or any type of hydrogen sulfate compounds also. So here diazo, it is nothing but the word diazo means di means 2, azo means nitrogen atoms. So here 2 nitrogen atoms, or we may write N2. So 2 nitrogen groups are going to substituted to the aromatic system. So such type of compounds are called as here aryl diazonium salts. So commonly using of aryl diazonium salt, it is nothing but benzene diazonium salt. So here this is the meaning of benzene diazonium salt or aryl diazonium salts means what, and in the presence of catalyst is known as copper salts. So here it is an example of a radical nucleophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So this is about the Sand-Meyer's reaction means what. Now let us learn about what is the reaction are involved in the Sand-Meyer's reaction. See here, this is the explanation of reaction here. When benzene diazonium chloride is treated with cuprous chloride in HCl, the product is going to form here chlorobenzene. See here, when benzene diazonium chloride means, I have already mentioned that benzene diazonium chloride. So here we should take like this N2 plus Cl minus. So this is known as benzene diazonium chloride. It must be treated with cuprous chloride in HCl. Means here Cu2Cl2 bar HCl means in the presence of hydrochloric acid. What is the product it will get forms? This indicates that chlorobenzene means here N2Cl minus is there, no, in that there is a elimination or removal of N2 group and the final product it is going to form here chlorobenzene. See here we should write Cl and removal of N2 group. So this product is known as here chlorobenzene. So in starting I have already mentioned that in this case of Sand-Meyer's reaction, the main product is nothing but here aryl halides. Aryl halides. So this is an aromatic group. To this aromatic group there is a substitution of halogen. So such compounds are called as aryl halides. So this is the general reaction or comes under one Sand-Meyer's reaction. We may take any type of a halide group in the reactants. Similarly here another reaction, that is when benzene diazonium chloride is treated with cuprous cyanide in KCN, potassium cyanide medium, the product it is going to form is known as cyanobenzene. Similar way, but only difference is the using of catalyst will be different. So now let us learn about what is the reactants are going to use in this case of cuprous cyanide as a catalyst. That concept now let us learn about by the reaction. See here also the product we are going to use, the reactants are going to using here benzene diazonium chloride. So it is treated with cuprous cyanide, that is CuCN, in presence of cuprous cyanide in KCN medium, that is potassium cyanide medium. What is the product we will get here? 2 moles we are going to taking here. So 2 moles of aromatic system, that is benzene ring, it is going to presence here. The main product we are going to substituting, that is known as CN, and the elimination of a product, how many nitrogens are there here? 2 nitrogen, that is 2 N2 it is going to releasing or removable 2 nitrogens, 2 molecules of nitrogen, and how many coppers are there? 2 copper molecules, so Cu2, then chlorine, that is Cu2Cl2. So this is about the whenever the benzene diazonium chloride is treated with the cuprous cyanide is going to forms cyanobenzene as the main product. So this is about the Sand-Meyers reaction means what, and finally what we are going to obtaining here, aryl halides as the products. So this is about the Sand-Meyers reaction. Now just I will give you here what is the importance of Sand-Meyers reaction. Now let us learn about what is the importance of Sand-Meyers reaction. The first importance of Sand-Meyers reaction is, this Sand-Meyers reaction is very important when we are studying aromatic chemistry. So whenever we are going to studying with the aromatic chemistry, and that time this Sand-Meyer reaction is going to very useful. And second importance, this Sand-Meyers reaction can be used to generate substitution patterns that are sometimes not possible to achieve by direct substitution. Then another main importance of the Sand-Meyers reaction is known as, it has wide synthetic applicability and is complementary to electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution here. Electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So these are the mainly 3 importance of Sand-Meyers reaction. So we should remember that what is the importance of Sand-Meyers reaction and what are the catalysts are used in Sand-Meyers reaction. So it is a very important named reaction, and it is important for your examination purpose. If you have any doubts, please comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.